Hello friends, hi viewers, once again welcome back to Teresa Josephine Kitchen. Hello, I am Josephine here. Once again, I have brought a yam recipe for kids and the bachelors. Easy process this is, and for the beginners it's very easy. With a six steps I have brought it. Friends, this might be a old name might be friends, but this is a very famous and very healthy recipe. This recipe name is appo, idli appo, egg. Friends, egg idli appo also we can say. Egg idli appo is the best name for this. The batter, everything, the process we are going to see. Very simple friends. 6 steps are there. Follow these six steps. Believe it friends, is a very yum and very tasty process friends. And it's very healthy. You know, egg has a lots of nutrition, lots of proteins, and wheat flour we are using. That also we have a lots of fiber. Like this we have vitamins, all these things. And it is very easy for all the homemade is always is a healthy. Let's quickly we'll see the process. Before going into the process, one small request with you all friends, please subscribe my channel. If you are watching first time, viewers, please watch the continuous complete video, share with your friends, relatives, and comment me in the comment box, like it. Let's go into the process. Friends, for egg idli appo, we are taking half a cup of flour, that is 100 gram of flour, wheat flour. That is very healthy friends, and 200 ml of water we are taking. Now this two we have to make a mixture, like a dough we have to make, not like a dough, exactly the consistency of a dosha batter it comes. I'll show to you. So friends, this is an exact consistency after making, and in this I am adding a half teaspoon of salt also. Exactly, just after making this batter we have to keep aside for 15 minutes friends. This is the second step. After the third step we'll see. So friends, this is the third step again we are taking. Plus friends, I am explaining to you step by step, for the beginners also includes friends. So third step is 2 eggs we are taking, then 1 onion slightly, and small we are chopping, and very thin we are chopping 1 chilli. This is the third step. So friends, now the fourth step, the main step, we are going to mix it everything. The mixing step we are going to see. We have to take the 2 eggs. So friends, in this fourth step, 2 eggs, we have to whisk it well, nicely, unless it dissolves equally. Nicely we have to bring into the ribbon pattern. So from whisking the egg, you can take like this fork, very easy. Otherwise the whisker also you can take it. See friends, as I told you, the ribbon pattern, exactly it has formed. Nicely the bubbles also has been come. Nicely we have to beat for 5 minutes. After beating 5 minutes, this is very easy process friends. It will be very fluffy and very tasty it will be. Let's see, after beating the egg like this, just take out the whisk and add the batter, which we made the batter, like wheat flour one, add it. Then again, the fourth step is after adding the wheat flour, add the onion, sliced onion, which we have chopped and we have kept. Add the chilli, green chilli. Add 1 teaspoon. Already we are used 1 teaspoon salt. Now for the mixing, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. These all things we have to mix it well friends, nicely. We have to mix together friends, this all. Now our fifth step completely has been completed. Exactly our mixture has been prepared well. Now what we'll do, we'll take like this appo chatti. In this appo chatti we are going to make our idli appo, egg idli appo. On the stove, let it heat, and we have greased this oil with the oil, this pan. So friends, our this appo chatti has been got heat. Now pour our mixture, 1 spoon. After filling the vessel, just close it with the lid. Let it cook for 5 minutes. So friends, after 5 minutes, open the lid and we have to turn back again. Anything we can use for the greasing, friends. Ghee also you can take it, oil also you can take it. For 2 minutes, just keep it close. So friends, it has done, friends. See, you can able to see. Now I'll dish out and I'll show you. And the same way, the all other batches also we have to do it. Pour the other batch like this, the same way. Mix it well better, this batter. Otherwise down the batter will be formed. Up the layer will be, eggs will be there, no? That's why. For every batch we have to mix it and we have to pour the batter. Closing the lid. Same repeating. Friends, our yam appam, egg appam idli has been got ready and ready to serve like this. Yam, friends, kids will be loving if they don't have also like this. If you'll make and if you'll give, friends, they will have. And beginners also, it's very easy. For the bachelors also, it's very easy process, step by step. Only the 6 process is there. Steps are there to follow. All the explanations, everything, the method, everything I'm mentioning in the description box also. Please go through. And friends, if you're watching first time, please subscribe my channel. Viewers, watch completely beginning to the end and like, share and comment me in the comment box about this recipe. Anything newly I have to post, please comment me in the comment box. Friends, one more pattern is there. Like this you can serve at home for any guest or else anybody are coming to home. And like this you can pack up for the kids tiffin box also, for the snacks or else for the breakfast or else anything, anybody's box. This is the second pattern. So this 2 pattern, I hope so you all liked. Friends, the packing pattern also, even for the bachelors also, they can pack up with the ketchup and they can go and they can have the breakfast or the snacks, anything else. Homemade is always a fresh and yummy and a healthy process. Friends, if you like, please share definitely, friends, to your friends and comment me in the comment box also. Meanwhile, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.